Prince, and this is my first video on YouTube, and I'm going to talk about how to study with your phone. Not just studying with your phone, but studying effectively with your phone. Most students and people who study on phone actually find it very difficult to study because of distractions, a lot of distractions. And as you can see on my home screen, this is my home screen. I have Facebook, I have Twitter, I have WhatsApp. I have a lot of apps which can distract me. Even when I look at my notification, I can see a lot of notifications over here, and they are distractions. So we are going to look at how to study with our phones without having so much distractions. I have a lot of apps for video, and even as I'm talking, you can see notifications coming in. So first of all, what you are supposed to do is that you are supposed to turn off all your notifications, and I'm using a Samsung phone, and how to turn off my notification might be different from your phone, but I'm going to take us through it. So looking at the first app here, it's Opera Mini news notification. So this is how I'm going to turn off the notification. First of all, I tap on it. I tap on it without removing. I just don't tap on it and remove. I just a long press. Then this appears. After this appears, the first one we are seeing is allow notification, show silently. Okay, that's not what I want. Then set as priority. So I'm going to put off allow notification, and I put it off, and I go back, and let's check. It's no more there. So I also have Galaxy themes. I will do the same thing. Allow notifications, I put it off. It's no more there. And my Bible here also, allow notifications, I put it off. It's gone. So that is one of the ways to prevent distractions, by putting off all your notifications, all of the apps. So if any app pops up, for example, there's WhatsApp here, I'm going to put the notifications off. No more WhatsApp. And I have another app, Cflex. No more notifications. I put it off as well. Yes. So that is one of the ways to prevent yourself from being distracted. Another thing is also to set a new home screen for your phone. You can see Facebook here. You can also see WhatsApp here. You can also see Twitter here. These notifications are tempting. You'll be tempted to open. So what are you supposed to do? What I do is I set a new home screen. And when I set a new home screen, what I mean by setting a new home screen is I remove all the distractive apps, and I keep the apps I'm going to use to study. For example, I have gallery here. I don't need gallery to study. I have Moon Reader here. It's a PDF reader. Okay, I need it to study. I have English here. It's a dictionary. I need it to study. So I'm going to remove Facebook from my home screen. You're not supposed to uninstall the apps because you might need some of them. This color note is an app for taking notes, so I move it to my home screen. Okay, so Twitter is here. I don't need Twitter to study, so I remove Twitter. Assuming I'm going to study maths, I need a calculator, so I'm going to move my calculator to my home screen. So calculator is here. I don't need WhatsApp to study, so I'll remove WhatsApp from my home screen. Okay. Then I have some browsers. I have YouTube, I have UC browser, I have Opera Mini. I will need the browsers to study. I don't need Samsung Music to study, so I'll move it, and I'll bring another app I will need to study with. Okay, so I have PDF reader, I have a dictionary, I have an app for taking notes, Instagram. I don't need Instagram to study. Okay, so these are the apps. You might also add more apps based on what you are going to study. I don't need a camera to study, so I just remove over here through shortcuts. That's also another way of removing it. So this is my home screen. I'm going to maintain my home screen this way. So if there is any book I also need to study with, Valerie, I don't need you to study. There is any book, I have my paper book with me over here. Then with these apps I need to study with files. I don't need files to study. Okay, so Another way of studying on your phone effectively, after removing the apps which are going to distract you, disable all notifications, the next thing you're going to do is to set a time frame. Set a time frame for which you are going to learn. Set a time frame. Maybe you're going to learn for 2 hours. 2 hours is okay. It's optimum. 2 hours is okay. I'm going to study for 2 hours. So you discipline yourself that I'm going to study for 2 hours. Since no notifications are coming, I'm going to be distracted and I'm going to be on my book for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I can move back and then respond to any notification or any response I'm supposed to give. Okay. I believe this video has been of great help. I'll encourage you to subscribe and also like and then share. Thank you.